Is your project management drowning in manual tasks? Are you tired of status meetings, missed updates, and firefighting every week? Here's the reality. The biggest shift in project management isn't just agile or hybrid, it's the automation and artificial intelligence. And the future is already here. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how AI is changing project management forever and how you can use it to lead faster, smarter, and even better. Let's dive deep into what this means for you and your team. Traditional project management is breaking under pressure, fixed scope, rigid schedules, and endless meetings. They just don't hold up in today's dynamic environment. The rise of agile and the sheer complexity of the modern initiatives means one thing. We need smarter tools that adapt. No more rigid checklists, right? Well, this is where AI and automation comes in, not as a gimmick, but as a core evolution in how we manage complexity. AI doesn't just track tasks, it analyzes patterns, detects risks, and proposes optimizations. It transforms the project managers from status trackers into strategic enablers. Let's talk about what AI is already doing behind the scenes. Modern platforms now use AI to predict risks before it becomes an issue, optimize resource allocations by analyzing team workloads and skills, and analyze delays while suggesting timeline adjustment in the real time. These aren't hypothetical features. Tools like Microsoft Project paired with Copilot, Asana with predictive workloads, and even Jira integrations are doing this right now. The biggest win? AI automates the boring stuff, time tracking, reminders, dependency checks, freeing up your energy for problem solving, decision making, and leadership. Imagine running your project without being buried under spreadsheets. That's where this is going. Now let's move to the real-time collaboration that AI enables. AI-enhanced tools are making it easier than ever to assign and track tasks across global teams, auto-summarized meeting transcripts and notes, and flag inconsistent updates before issues snowball. Some platforms even analyze communication tones and frequency, helping managers detect misalignment early. This isn't just useful, it's revolutionary for distributed teams across functional squads, right? And hybrid workplaces too. AI creates a living nervous system for your project, constantly scanning, alerting, and optimizing in the real time. Let's ground this up with some real examples. In the construction industry, one firm used an AI-based scheduling engine that reduced the project delivery time by 15%. In healthcare, predictive analysis helped allocate equipments and staffing more effectively during the system-wide EMR rollout. In the public sector, AI-driven dashboard helped the ministry detect cost overrun 2 quarters earlier than usual. But there are challenges too. Adoption requires upskilling your team. Bias in data can mislead if not monitored, and you still need human to interpret and act on the insights. So it's not plug and play, it's plug and partner. Here's the big question. Will AI replace project managers? That is where the biggest worry is today, right? Right, project managers? Well, the short answer is no. The smarter answer is it will replace part of your job if you don't evolve. The future belongs to project leaders who understand how to leverage AI insights and who can lead human side of change and use automation to create more time for what actually matters, right? Alignment, coaching, your vision, right? The PM of 2026 won't be a task master. They will be decision architect, a communication coach, and a strategic bridge between human potential and digital power. I remember managing a fast-moving public health rollout. The old way would have buried me in tracking sheets and status calls. Instead, I used a simple automation setup, flagged critical path dependencies, automated the reminders, sequences, and an AI plugin to forecast delays. The result? We hit delivery without scope creeps, even with half the team remote. It didn't just save time, it saved trust. And that's more than any AI tool is the most valuable asset to the project leadership. Want to see the exact AI automation stack I use to run multi-million-dollar programs? Or prompts I feed into tools like ChatGPT to help with stakeholder planning, raid logs, and even retrospectives? Drop in the comments below. I'll share with you the real stuff, no fluff. I am Jesse. I have led tough projects, coached real teams, and I'm here to help you do the same. This isn't theory. This is the edge you have been looking for. So stay tuned, but bye for now.